Diggz Xenon just got a massive update and it is now better than it has ever been. So let me go ahead and show you how to install it because you need to have this right now. The first thing we are going to want to do is go over to your search and scroll down. Type in the letter D. We are looking for an app called Downloader and it should pop up as a suggestion. Go ahead and click that. Now that you see Downloader here, make sure you are downloading the first one that pops up. It should look exactly like this. When you open it up, it should be by the developer aftvnews.com. Do not download any other version because those are scams. Once you find the correct one, just go ahead and click download and let it install. But before we do anything with that, I want you to press the home button on your remote. Scroll over to your settings. Then scroll over to My Fire TV and open that up. We are looking for developer options. If you do not see developer options, go ahead and click About. Right there where it says Fire TV, go ahead and click that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until the bottom says you are already a developer. Now you can hit the back button on your remote and those options should be enabled. Open that up and scroll down to install unknown apps. Go to Downloader and turn that on. Now that it is turned on, we can go ahead and press the home button again. Go ahead and scroll and find the Downloader app in your list. Now that it is open, scroll all the way up to the top. Right where it says to enter a URL, go ahead and press OK to open that up. We are going to type in Kodi.TV, Kodi.tv. Press next and it should automatically go to the website. It should look exactly like this. Now we are going to scroll down until we find the Download Now button. Go ahead and click that and scroll down some more. Select what platform you are using. I am currently on a Fire Stick, which is an Android device, so we are going to click Android. If you are using a Google device, you would also click Android. Now you want to find ARM v7a 32-bit. Make sure you download this specific one. Just click it and it should automatically start to download. Now that it is done, just go ahead and install it. Before we do anything else, click Done first. We want to delete the installation file because we no longer need it. It is just taking up space. Select Delete and then Delete again to confirm. Now that it is deleted, go ahead and press the home button on your remote. Scroll to your apps and find the little blue icon for Kodi. Let's go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and press Continue. Right here you have to press Allow. Give it a second to prepare for its first run. What you are looking for is to make sure we are on version 21.3. This is the newest version. Now that we are in, we are going to scroll to the right to this little gear icon. Open up the settings and scroll over to System. Scroll down to Add-ons. Press right on your remote to go to Unknown Sources and turn that on. Go ahead and press Yes. Now press the back button on your remote. Scroll up and to the left to File Manager and open that. Scroll down to Add Source. Where it says None, just press OK on your remote again. This is where we enter the path. It is just going to be HTTPS. Hit the up arrow button to get to the colon. //TINYURL.com/DIGGZ123. Take the time to make sure it looks exactly like this or it will not work. Once you have that done, go ahead and press OK. Scroll down and press OK again. If you did everything correctly, the files will pop up right here without errors. Now press the back button on your remote. This takes us back to the system screen and we will go to Add-ons. Scroll down until you find Install from Zip file and open it. Now we can see the folder we just added called Diggz123. Click that and look for the Diggz Omega repo.zip. Open that up. Give it a second and the pop-up will show the repository has been installed. Now scroll up to Install from Repository. Open the Diggz repository and scroll down to Program Add-ons. Here we found Chef Wizard, which is the green one. Open it up and click Install. Just press OK on your remote and give it a moment. Now you can see it has been installed. If it does not open automatically, just press the OK button and select Open. The menus look a bit different here. Scroll down to Build menu and open that up. We are looking for Diggz AO Free version 2. Click this to start the download. When it is ready to install, just press Continue. While this is downloading, I want to welcome you to TechVibes. I will be posting more videos consistently to help you out. Once the install is complete, click OK to force close the app. Now we are just going to reopen it. Give it a minute or two to let it settle in before you start doing anything. If you move too fast, it might freeze or close down. Just let it chill and do its thing for a second. For the sake of the video, I will show you around quickly. You can click Free Setup right here to install new add-ons. There are a couple of really good new ones available. I am going to press the back button and go to Choose Your Skin. As you can see, there are several different options like the original or the Flix version. I prefer the Xenon 2 version for this video. Click Yes to use the add-on and be patient. This was just released recently, so it might be a little slow at first. If it feels like it is frozen, do not worry. This happens to me sometimes too. If it sticks, just go to your device settings and find applications. Manage your installed applications and find the app. Select Force Stop and Clear Cache, then launch it again. Remember to be patient because once you learn this, it is the best. It literally has everything you could possibly need for movies and shows. Now just give it a second because it is always updating itself. We will go over to choose skin again and try that one more time. Click yes and it should start downloading and installing now. Now the menu is being applied so you can see what it looks like. Let it get everything set up. You will notice it looks different because you need to choose a flavor. Scroll down to the flavors menu and open it. You can choose different versions released on 5/4/2026. I will be doing the free version for this guide. Press continue and let the update finish. Now force close one more time and you are all set. Before we launch, I highly recommend using a VPN to keep your data safe. It is very important because your provider can see what you are doing. You do not want any issues with your service being cut off. Once your VPN is turned on, we can open the app and see the final result. It might show a prompt for track, but you can just click never. If you ever want to change your build, you can go back to the Chef Wizard. You can explore the new movie apps and add-ons at your own pace. It is not perfect, but it has everything you could want in one place. There is a bit of a learning curve, but it is worth it. Thank you for watching this guide on TechVibes. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below to help us reach more people. We want to help everyone save as much money as possible. I will see you guys in the next one.